Okay, so far we have learned some basic visualization, basic formatting and all. Now, all of this work has been done for the Power BI desktop and Power BI service. Suppose we want to see these changes, suppose we want to format our report on mobile level. As you know that Power BI reports can also be seen on Power BI mobile app, and we want to edit it or format it as per our needs for the mobile view. So we can do that thing also in Power BI desktop only. So to do that, let's just quickly jump into it. We will click on the view section here, view, and you can see here the phone layout. All right, so once you will click on the phone layout, it will switch on to the phone layout section, and this will pop up, and this is our phone view, and we can add all the visuals which we have added. You can see here we can pin them to our phone view. So suppose at the very first, what we really want is our slicer should be there. So I'll make it in the horizontal and my slicer will be added. You cannot simply click on any of these because this is just a preview image which we will see in our phone. Okay, now suppose I want my table to be seen second. There we go, I'll make it bigger, or maybe I'll put my table below and I should make my gauge second and my pie chart also there. Let's just make it a little bit smaller and make my pie chart a bit bigger. There you go. Okay, so my filter is there, my two visuals are there, I've added my table. Now let's make this particular bar chart here, and my tree map should be here. Okay, I'll make it just like this. And where should I put this sales value? So I think I should remove this particular from here. So to remove, suppose I want to remove this particular visual from here, I just have to simply click on the cross button, and now I can add my this particular card here. I can change its size just like this, and now I can simply make this one bigger, make it lower, and add my gauge up here and make it bigger as well. So this is how my Power BI report would look like. This is just a preview. I am pretty sure it would look much better than this in the real mobile view. We will work more on the mobile app later on, but as of now, this is how you can format for the mobile layout on Power BI desktop only. So thank you for now, and we'll continue in the next lecture.